What's up, guys? I'm MegaJordan too, and today I want to thank you for 90 subscriber. My lost subscriber is gone. So, anyways, guys, today we are making the video about EAS emergency alert system from Los Angeles. So, do you remember the time that I got like 2 subscribers because I'm shocked? And everybody just liked my ESA. Everybody who ES fan, like, is about the weather, some early system, is the biggest fan of me. I love the early system because I'm watching some little kid, and I love to do something. So anyways, guys, let's watch the classic mode. So I hope you guys to subscribe to my channel, put a like and comment below to my channel to talk about, and also don't forget the Q&A question of MegaJordan 2. So let's get started, shall we? I remember this like 2 months ago. Man, look at that. Remember system for DirecTV, this is a new TV and also new cable that I had. It's cool, right? I don't get it. Why McDonald's? Okay, when people talk about McDonald's in the city of Los Angeles, okay? If you don't know what happened to McDonald's, I guess you might want to hear this because it's kind of like worse than the other world. So, medical center said that something happened to McDonald's at Los Angeles at October 25th, 2016, and that's coming worse.
Have agreed to deliver emergency information that will help you understand what is happening during an emergency and what you need to do. When you hear or receive a real EAS warning or alert via broadcast like phone, text, or email,
oh, that's my voice.
Tune to one of those local radio or TV stations.
This is emergency system.
Yep, that's me.
I'm recording people.
Yep. That's my brother's voice. Like that. So guys, I just want guys to thank you to make my video best. So the Merlin system is like take maybe 1 year or 2. Also emergency what might happen. So if you guys like it, please comment, subscribe to my channel. Or if you have any question, let me know. It's due this Friday. So this is MegaJordan 2. I see you. Bam. Sooner. Goodbye, guys, and Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. This is MegaJordan 2. Sign off.